When ready to review the measurement data, the WiKi-Scan will then display all the stored inspections with their names and picture information. Selecting an inspection will offer three options: deleting the data, reviewing the data using the checkmark icon, or generating a report using the table icon. When an inspection is selected for review, it will load on the screen as if a new inspection was acquired. All screens can be reviewed using the same left-right finger swiping motions. However, from the main screen, a right swipe will now show the additional information stored with this inspection. Images, voice comments, and text notes can be reviewed. To listen to the voice comments, simply use the built-in speaker or, in a noisy environment, use the supplied earbuds for better audio quality.